Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It feels so weird saying this because I wanted to do that for such a long time now, but I'm glad that I did it. Since it's going to be my very first video that goes on my channel, I wanted to be like a get to know me version and just answer some basic questions that everyone's been asking me on Instagram. I wrote down a lot of questions that everyone's been asking me right here, so let's get started. I think I should start with like very basic questions. That's like, what's my name? It's Vedika, or you can also call me Vedi. Usually, I like to go by Vedi here because Vedika is kind of hard to pronounce for everyone. So, yeah, Vedika or Vedi is fine. So, what city am I from? I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I've lived there throughout my whole life. So, yeah, I miss Marine Drive, guys. I miss Marine Drive. This question is what age I am right now. I'm currently 22 years old and I was a 2002 born. A lot of people are also curious about my undergraduate. So I did my undergraduate in Bachelor of Management Studies, which is BMS, from Mumbai University, and my major was marketing. A lot of people also wanted to know my percentage. So basically, Mumbai University had 10-point scale. So on that, I got 9.4. So in percentage, it comes around 90%, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, that's my percentage. Now, coming to the question that everyone's been here for, like, what's my university in Korea? So, I'm attending Eva Women's University in Seoul, is one of the top universities, women universities in Korea. Okay, what's your major? My major is international business, and my course is going to be for 2 years, and it's masters. Yeah. I also wanted to add that my department is Graduate School of International Studies, which is also called as GSIS. So, is my major in Korean or in English? So, my major, that is international business, is completely in English. All the courses under the Graduate School of International Studies, which is Development Cooperation, International Trade, International Relations, and International Business, are available only in 100% English. Did I give IELTS? So no, guys, I did not give IELTS. I submitted a letter from my undergraduate university that my whole 3 years of undergraduate was done in English. Do I live in a dormitory or do I live alone? So as you can see, I live alone. I'm currently living in a Goshivon, if you guys know what it is. So basically, I couldn't get the dorm because it was already full. So I had to book this one. Yeah. Do you have a work experience? So basically, I graduated in 2023, March of 2023 to be specific, and after that, I took a gap year, if that makes sense. In between that, I did a one internship. So I don't know if I can say I have an experience or not. Technically, I don't have an experience. And a lot of people were asking the same thing, that do you need experience to get into EVA? At least for Graduate School of International Studies, there's no mention that you have to have a work experience. I mean, it's also good if you have it, but it depends upon your profile, I guess. So because I have friends who have like work experience, and I also have friends in EVA who don't have work experience, so I guess it depends upon your overall profile. When did I come to Korea? So to be exact, I came on 29 August 2024, and my master's degree started from 2nd September 2024. I just finished my first semester here, and currently it's my winter vacation. So why did I choose Eva Women's University? So my major reason for choosing Eva Women's University is that my major was available in 100% English, which I wanted. To be really honest, I cannot see myself doing my masters in Korean. I think that's about it for all the questions for today. I do have plans of making a lot of more question and answer series because there are so many more questions that I want to answer. But I wanted to keep the first video very short and sweet. Definitely let me know all the questions in the comments down below. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'm more active there. And I do reply to a lot of people on Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.